do something, or you never do something. All of them have levels of how much you do something. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, repeat after me. Always.
Always.
Usually.
Usually.
Normally.
Normally.
Often.
Often.
Or you can say often.
Often.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Occasionally.
Occasionally.
Seldom.
Seldom.
Hardly ever.
Hardly ever.
Or never.
Never.
The most used ones are always, usually, normally, and often. Okay? 1, 2, 3, they mean the same thing. If you say you often do something, then you normally do something, or you usually do something. They are the same. And then with sometimes and occasionally, they are also the same. When you say you occasionally do something, that means you sometimes do it, even though it's just a little bit smaller that you do. Okay? So let's go into rules. How do we use them? We use them 2 ways. We use them for simple present tense. Let's say simple and continuous. You know what is continuous tense, right? For simple, we have 2 kinds. For simple, we have present and we have past. For present, it's V1 or V1S or V1ES. But here we know it's just V1. That's all. Past tense, V1ED. And then here we know that it's V1 plus in to show that it's happening, it's continuous. So let's see, how do we use them for simple present tense? How do we use them for past tense? And how do we use them for continuous tense? Okay? Okay. You still understand? Let's continue. The verb. In simple present tense and simple past, you use this before the verb. It will be adverb plus V1. I always eat, I always get up, I always run, I always call, I always watch. I sometimes clean. Sometimes. Run. And we know that run is V1. So if you're using an adverb in simple present tense or simple past, it must always be before. You don't say run sometimes. I run sometimes. Yes, you can, but most of the time you don't. You understand? You always say, I always do this. I usually do this. I normally do this. You understand? If you look at adverb plus V1. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. And then for this side, used after to be. For continuous, you use it after to be because in continuous tense, for I, you, we, and they, I am.